The iPad mini 7, the newest addition to Apple's tablet lineup, is a testament to the brand's commitment to delivering high-performance devices in a smaller package. Designed for users who prioritize portability without compromising on power, this compact tablet offers a blend of sleek design and advanced features. Its sleek, unibody aluminum construction not only exudes a premium aesthetic, but also provides durability and protection. The vibrant, high-resolution display delivers stunning visuals, making it ideal for everything from browsing the web and watching videos to enjoying games and creative pursuits. Under the hood, a powerful A-series processor ensures smooth multitasking and lightning-fast performance, allowing users to effortlessly handle demanding tasks. Whether you're a student, a professional, or simply someone who appreciates the convenience of a portable tablet, the iPad mini 7 is a versatile and capable device that is sure to exceed your expectations. The iPad mini 7 maintains a similar sleek and premium aluminum chassis as its predecessor, the iPad mini 6. This design language offers a sense of sophistication and durability. Magnetic edge. One of the standout features is the magnetic edge on the side of the device. This allows for seamless attachment and charging of the Apple Pencil, offering a convenient and streamlined experience for creative users. No foldable screen. Unlike some recent tablet trends, the iPad mini 7 does not feature a foldable screen. It retains a traditional, fixed-screen design, which may be preferred by users who value a more rigid and sturdy structure. The iPad mini 7 boasts an 8.3-inch Liquid Retina display, delivering a vibrant and immersive viewing experience. This display technology is known for its excellent color accuracy, brightness, and contrast. The display boasts a resolution of 2266 by 1488 pixels, ensuring sharp and detailed visuals. This high pixel density provides a crisp and clear viewing experience for various content, from videos and games to documents and web browsing. Wide viewing angles. The iPad mini 7 offers excellent viewing angles, allowing for comfortable viewing from different positions. This is particularly beneficial for sharing content with others or for using the device in various orientations. While OLED displays have gained popularity for their deep blacks and superior contrast ratios, the iPad mini 7 opts for a traditional Liquid Retina display. This may be due to factors like cost, power consumption, or potential burn-in concerns associated with OLED technology. Overall, the iPad mini 7 presents a refined and functional design, coupled with a high-quality Liquid Retina display. While it may not have some of the cutting-edge features seen in other tablets, its combination of premium aesthetics, practical design elements, and a vibrant display makes it a compelling option for users seeking a compact and capable tablet. The iPad mini 7 is powered by either the A16 Bionic or A17 Bionic chip. The A16 Bionic is a solid upgrade offering excellent performance for gaming, creative work, and everyday tasks. The A17 Bionic would bring more power, especially in handling AI-driven applications. The iPad mini 7 has 8 GB of RAM, which is an increase from the 4 GB of RAM in the iPad mini 6. The iPad mini 7 also has a base storage capacity of 128 GB, which is an increase from the 64 GB of storage in the iPad mini 6. The iPad mini 7, despite its anticipated price tag of $499, presents a compelling value proposition. The device is expected to feature notable performance enhancements, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a versatile and powerful tablet. Its sleek design and robust processor position it as an ideal companion for everyday tasks, from browsing the web and streaming media to gaming and productivity. The iPad mini 7's combination of portability, performance, and affordability makes it a compelling choice for individuals who prioritize both convenience and capability in their mobile computing experience.